I was trying to get it how I live. I want them dead presidents. I wanna pull up, head spin, get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get full-time father, full-time artist. Ex-guard, he said grind harder, learn from every time you ever fail. If it never failed, just grind smarter. Iron sharpened, you the dag on they hindquarters and they all acting. Rap game, I'm a pallbearer. Kill me, get a call after. First look, it was all laughter. Kevin Gates, no small matter, made men believe when they didn't believe. Dive in the crowd, no safety holders. Got in the booth, no safety on it. Aiming, I shoot for the stars. Got the award, I ain't win no awards. Only meaning one thing, don't get tired, I go hard. I was trying to get it how I live. I want them dead presidents. I wanna pull up, head spin, get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. The woman I love on an air mattress. We share a car, my hair nappy. Couldn't afford flights, no air travel. Still Rice Krispies like sand gravel. Walking testament of what can happen the moment you follow your heart. Keeping the faith even when it get dark. They say give up as I tell them get lost. 6 weeks ago I just purchased a farm. Most likely the one that you cannot afford. Right foot on the gas. Balenciaga be accelerating. I'm doing the dance. Chick that I'm with, started be doing her shit. And it's okay to say that she bad. Look to the right and I give her a glance. We don't got to go, we don't worry. I was trying to get it how I live. I want them dead presidents. I wanna pull up, head spin, get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired.
Only meaning one thing, don't get tired, I go hard. Don't play with the hustle, you eat or you starve. Don't mimic, pretend to just be who you are. Ain't never changed, been like this from the start. Only meaning one thing, don't get tired, I go hard. Don't play with the hustle, you eat or you starve. Don't mimic, pretend to just be who you are.
Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I was trying to get it how I live. I want them dead presidents. I wanna pull up, head spin, get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired.
Let's go, baby. I don't get tired. We don't get tired. Damn sure I'm not tired of holding GameStop or buying it, because it's the best stock in the stock market, in my opinion. Of course. Which leads me to the start of the live stream. I appreciate y'all being here today. Nothing I say is or ever will be financial advice, so please don't take it as such. Appreciate y'all being here as always, and as we all know, we're hanging in there because GameStop earnings for Q4 and the fiscal year of 2025 is going to be announced tomorrow after the market closes. We are so excited for tomorrow, but we're also pretty zen and pretty chill about it because, we know what the recent price action consists of. Are they trying to dump it before we actually go into earnings? Are they dumping it and then are we going to dump again before earnings? Are we going to shoot to the moon after earnings? Because we're going to have a phenomenal quarter for Q4. Honestly, I don't know. Only time will tell. We're going to find out tomorrow. So, yeah, here I am just reminding y'all of it. I'm sure everyone in here knows that we have earnings tomorrow. Super exciting news. Always going to be exciting. Let me switch over to my screen really quick. Just want to start with some technical analysis. But I did Google GameStop news as far as, what's going on. Why is GameStop stock rising on Monday from Benzinga? Let's check out what they got to say today. I haven't read this yet, by the way. So me and you are going to check it out together. Then we'll look at technicals and then we'll talk randomness. Shout out to everyone in here, by the way. I appreciate y'all taking time out of the day to come watch your boy. Even if you don't get educated today, still supporting the dog, still supporting GameStop, and we ain't going anywhere. Okay, so it looks like shares are trading higher today, obviously, as we all know. Investors are focusing on GameStop's fourth quarter earnings, which, hello, that's us, and that's tomorrow, baby. Revenue expectations sit at around $1.47 billion. We're going to find all of that out tomorrow as well, too. Analysts estimate per earnings per share, EPS, will be 31 cents. Will we be above it? Who knows? All I know is GameStop has so much momentum going into it. We'll see. Since we have beaten EPS for 6 consecutive quarters in a row, we might make it 7 tomorrow. So I'm super excited. So short interest data shift. So Benzinga data shows that short interest in GameStop decreased as of recently. It fell from 66.88 million to 65.62 million shares, which represents about 16.04 of the company's float. It would take 13.98 days for short sellers to cover their positions. Now, what is this actually trying to tell me? I'm not too sure, because I don't know what happens after that 14-day time frame for when short sellers cover their positions. We don't really know what happens on the back end. I don't know what happens on the back end of things. I hear one thing. There's a lot of factors that factor in, a lot of things that factor into this. So many circumstantial things. But technical analysis, it's below the 20-day SMA and 17% above its, or 1.7% above its 100-day SMA. So whatever that means, sounds like it's supposed to be bullish. The resistance level is $24. I would agree with that. Key support is definitely 22. For people saying that this stock is going to get down to like $16, $14, actually out of your mind. In my opinion, of course, everyone has, this is the beauty of investing in the stock market, or just investing in stocks in general. Everyone has their opinions, everyone has their thoughts, everyone does their own due diligence, and then makes their decisions based off of that. And then people clash about it, whether it's something agreed upon or disagreed upon. It really just depends on what we're talking about. But to my technical analysis right here, I have it pulled up on the screen. Yep, sure do. So this is the weekly chart for GameStop at the moment. This wedge, this purple beautiful wedge that I have drawn out, has been a thing for quite some time now. It looks like we are slightly below my wedge, but we are still above my support level of 83 or of $22.83. So who knows what's going to happen this week or tomorrow? Maybe. Let me just get bullish really quick. At the end of the day, for any bearish case or anyone that says that I'm only bullish, I'm aware that things could get bearish. I'm not I'm not going to expect it, but I like to see the bullish stuff too, and I like the bullish more. It's more fun. So if we bounce up, I could see this happening. I could see us, kind of rising up to the occasion, breaking out of this wedge, testing out that $26 resistance level. Or first, we're going to have to test out Benzinga's $24 resistance level. Then we could get to my $26 resistance level, break past that, get to my $29, basically $30 resistance level, and hope that we break out of that. And then when we break out of that, the sky will be the limit. I mean, the longer it takes, we've been flat for this long, for how long? Since 2024, basically. So we've been flat for essentially that long if you look at it on a macro perspective. So the longer we hold, the longer we're flat, the harder that freaking spike is going to hit us. And I'm looking forward to it, and we're going to be ready for it. We've been accumulating shares for quite some time now. So whenever them people of yours, friends, family, whoever that doubted your investment before, all of a sudden start to get news articles, all of a sudden start to see the stock chart saying GameStop is at $120-something right now. What's going on? Did quarter four do that well? What's going on with this company? Are they finally making money? They're not going out of debt? Is this the second squeeze? All of that good stuff. Because you are going to get those calls. You are going to get those texts. You are going to get those people that finally reach back out and say, hey, price action's at $60-something right now. Is this a good place to buy? And then that's when you're like, bruh, I've been telling you to buy at $10, $11, $15, $20, $22, whatever, 23 and 6 cents. This is a low level, y'all. especially if you look at it from the macro, because we have potential to go up here and fill the gap and maybe, and just maybe, keep on going up. But I am a dreamer. I am a doer, though, at the same time, because I do my shit that I dream. And maybe this dream of mine about GameStop is going to come true, because the company that we're invested in has zero private equity involvement. The board of directors and Ryan Cohen have a $0 salary. They are working in the best interests for the company and the growth, as well as the investors. And let's not forget about Team 51. We're always here. We're all here. And we literally don't go anywhere. This is us. We are GameStop. And then not only that, people that don't even invest in the company and aren't even a part of Team 51, they still go into the store and shop at GameStop. Whether it's for trading cards, whether it's for accessories for your console, video games, we still sell that. Video game consoles, we still sell that. And a bunch of other collectible items that you can still buy in the store. And yes, we've been closing down multiple stores over the past years, but a lot of those stores were not profitable enough to even be in our balance sheet. So why would we continue to burn money? Why would we continue to burn money, truthfully? It's just, I'm trying to figure that out, because people get so hung up on the fact that we're closing stores, but they're also not considering that we have these billions of dollars amounted to the side, and we're closing stores to basically open up foot traffic to other stores that are still going to be open. And also, someone wants to say hi really quick. His name is Sam. And Sam also told me about GameStop that our online presence is off the chain. So whenever people come at you and tell you that this is a dying company compared to Radio Shack or whatever, I think that's hilarious. One of my friends actually said that the other day. He compared GameStop to Radio Shack. I'm like, dude, you are funny and not very educated. You should go read Connect the Dots by Morant's Rants. By the way, if you haven't read that book already, it is a fire book. You're going to get so much education from it. But yeah, whenever all that stuff happens, man, they're going to be coming back and they're going to say, bruh, I should have bought. Bro, I should have listened. Like, nah, I ain't trying to hear all that, broski. You had your chance. You had your chance. Let me look at the chat real quick. I haven't spoken to the chat. Hank Wood is in the house. Thank you so much for being here. And Michael Venuti checking in. LFG 51st Elitist Platoon GME Division reporting for duty, Michael Venuti. Sam is reporting for duty as well. Sam says hi as always. Ruby, y'all know Ruby. She don't like the camera. Every time I show her on the camera, she gets ballistic and doesn't like it. Ricky B. Loco is in the house. Shout out to Ricky B. Loco, always pulling up. CCP, Carter's Corner Pocket, one of my other favorite YouTubers, is in the chat as well. Dipping out of work, we'll listen on the drive home. I appreciate you as always for the love and support. I look up to you as well, bro. I love your channel. So yeah, we fucking killing it. Excuse my language. I'm just hyped today. What's up? 51 fam. Burton is in the house as well too. Appreciate you being here. Gotta go, but wanted to say hello and hit the like button. I appreciate you for the support as always. In Vegas at a sales meeting and gotta head up to the next session. Hey, there we go. Hey, get them sales, bro. Even if it's just a meeting, shoot. Make them connections. Because I know you be selling, and I know you be making that guap, and I know where some of that guap goes. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. We could dump the 90 waiting period after Ryan's latest stock purchase is 421, so we could get merger news after hours. I'm ready for it. The dump, the pump, the whatever, I'm still going to be buying in because this is a long-term investment. And a lot of people don't understand that about GameStop. Anytime I talk to them about it, I say something, I say I'm going to buy the stock, they say I'm going to lose money. I'm like, no, that's not really how it works because the company actually has to go out of business and I actually have to sell my stock before I actually lose money. I think these people that don't really know much about nothing are probably getting me mistaken for buying options. Now, options, you lose that money through theta decay. I could never, ever, even in a general sense, but I would never buy options on GameStop. You're going to get burnt. You might as well just buy shares, honestly, man. But yeah, I'm waiting for that dump. I love that dump. Honestly, give me more. Let's go, Dynamite and GME. That's right, we going out, baby. 420. I think on 420 we're going to 6.9. That would be insane, actually. And we're definitely going to be above $32 before October. I feel good about that one. So, hey, that's all good. Purchased another 100 shares last week. Shit, Hank Wood. I'm trying to be on your level. Okay. Hey, you know, it's going to be a little rough for me for a while. I'm about to give you an update on my real estate stuff. So, of course, I've been studying, busting my ass. I'm trying to pass this exam so I can move on to the next chapter in my life. There's going to be a point in time this summer, probably May to July, honestly, where it'll be very light when I buy GameStop shares. And I hate that I have to say that. But I got to do what's best for me. I got to make sure I can pay bills, feed my cats, pay for this apartment that I have saved up for the next 3 months, make sure I can provide for myself and live below my means for the time being. And yeah, I'm going to squeeze a little GameStop share here and there. Maybe I'll sign up for Uber Eats so I could get some kind of extra income for the time being. Because, you know, when you're in real estate and you just start, you really won't get any money until 60 to 90 days after you start. Because you got to build clientele first. You got to show people around. You got to close sales. You got to do all that stuff. So I got myself a little 3-month buffer with money that I could provide myself for and provide for my living expenses. So it's gonna be crazy, different point of life. I'm gonna still be streaming though, even if I can't afford a share at the time that I do this stuff, because I'm gonna be a little brokey broke. Don't get me wrong, we ain't brokey broke, but I'm gonna be a little brokey broke for that period of time. But we're still gonna be talking about GameStop. I'm gonna be figuring out how the hell I'm gonna make an extra dollar to buy another GameStop share. And I have donated plasma in the past. I will do it again, even if that means buying one GameStop share a week. Am I crazy for saying that? Probably. Maybe the normal person would think that. We ain't normal though, so y'all probably think this is okay and fine. Cause I know we're grinders out here. We be balling out here. Catch up sooner or later. Thanks for what you do. Always, Burden. You know we always here, bro. Thank you for showing up as always, broski. I thought I smelled the gun smoke. Shout out to CCP. I love it. I love the gun smoke. You know, some of these people out here freaking on YouTube, like, I swear, like, they really just want the smoke. Like, just the people that advertise AMC still to this day. I'm like, bro, what are we doing talking about this company? You know what I'm saying? Like, don't y'all know that Adam Aaron is a slime bag and he's done some weird shit in his past, allegedly? And he's freaking finessed all of retail. Still doing it to this day, by the way. That's private equity for you, though. He acts like he's on your side, but he's just a corporate junkie. Yeah. I was about to say a shout out to him, but no. Honestly, he can go F himself. Adam Aaron can, because he's a terrible CEO. And he plays dumb. Yeah. Don't even get me started with him. But yeah, GameStop is $27 or, whoa, almost there. $23.07. They're going to tell you that it's not going to get past 30. They're not going to, they're going to say all they want. But all we got to do is hang in there. And keep on hanging till we can't no more. Or keep on hanging because you can. And you're capable of it. And you're willing to put stuff aside for a better future. And that's what I love about you. Because you understand what the stock is. You understand what the company is. And that's all you need to do. Because once you understand it, nothing else really matters. Everything else is all smoke and mirrors. Yeah. But, yeah, I think it's time for me to go. I just wanted to pop in, check in for a little bit. As far as earnings tomorrow, I work tomorrow, y'all. So I, unfortunately, will not be able to stream most of earnings tomorrow. I will be able to do a lunch stream, so I could definitely check in middle of the day and kind of say what's up and be like, hey, fam, we got earnings today. I won't be here whenever they're actually posted, but we got earnings today. That's what the stream will be like tomorrow. Maybe we'll jam out tomorrow. Maybe I'll make a playlist tonight. Maybe some of y'all just don't want to listen to me yap. Maybe y'all want to listen to the music, and I get that. Shout out to Trove, by the way, because I be keeping him on like a lot of the time. Them jams be hitting, and I get to see the price of GameStop. Shoot, sign me up. But I'm gonna call it there, everybody. I appreciate y'all being here in the chat and the video as always. If you check it out later today, I appreciate you supporting as always. You don't need to subscribe. Maybe like it so we can get this video out there so more people can learn about GameStop or shoot the shit with us. I'll take care, or